He come, yeah.
What?
The coyote.
You see? Yeah.
What's happening here is when we first walked up to the pier, we saw the track like that, and you could see it was still kind of wet with the morning dew from the grass, and it appeared to be a coyote track. And it appears that one walks up and started Dalila.
It's not a coyote.
Huh?
It's not a coyote. It's a real dog.
After looking at this closer, it turns out to be a dog, and doesn't look like it's been wild or anything. What makes this unusual is that there's no homes around here. The dog shouldn't be here, period. And we've been hearing the coyotes all along, doing their barking.
Ha!
Make that noise to scare the dog off.
It's a wild dog,
It's a wild dog.
but it's not a coyote.